Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs on a Ford Edge. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and assembling a 6-point socket set: spark plug socket, extension, ratchet, gap gauge, and anti-seize. Work on a cool engine and clean the work area. Label ignition coils and wires as you remove them. Keep parts in order and take photos if needed to ensure correct reassembly. After prepping, unplug ignition coil connectors and remove the small bolts holding coils in place. Pull each coil straight up to avoid tearing the boot and set them in order. Use a magnetic spark plug socket on an extension to loosen and extract old plugs, turning counterclockwise slowly. Inspect the wells for grime or oil and blow them clean with compressed air so new plugs seat properly and torque evenly. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so you get more hands-on car tips. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading repair manuals and wiring diagrams easy in the garage, and it fits in a tool bag for reference. Check the video description for the link and other deals. It can save time when troubleshooting. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare new plugs by confirming the correct gap and applying a light coat of anti-seize to threads. Thread each plug by hand to avoid cross-threading, then tighten with a torque wrench to the specified value for your engine. Reinstall ignition coils and connector plugs in the exact order they were removed. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and listen for smooth idle and absence of misfire to confirm successful installation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.